In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Snapshot and transfer Snapshot in GoHighLevel. A snapshot is a packaged copy of your key assets, like workflows, funnels, forms, pipelines, emails, calendars, and more, so you can reuse proven setups, launch new sub-accounts quickly, or hand off standardized systems to clients without rebuilding from scratch. Start by opening your GoHighLevel account and heading to the agency dashboard. If you're currently viewing a specific sub-account, switch to agency mode using the selector at the top. Snapshots live at the agency level, so you'll only see the right options once you're in that view. In the left sidebar, open Account Snapshots. This is your library for creating and managing all snapshot packages. Click Create Snapshot to begin. Give your snapshot a clear descriptive name so you and your team can recognize it later. A simple naming convention such as client or niche purpose date keeps versions organized and avoids confusion. Next, choose the sub-account that contains the assets you want to package. This tells GoHighLevel where to pull the components from. When you're ready, click Next. You'll see a progress indicator while the system compiles what it needs. The time it takes can vary depending on how many assets you have and the size of things like media and email templates. Once the initial processing completes, you'll land on the asset selection screen. Use the search bar to quickly find specific items, like a workflow name or a funnel. Then select the checkboxes for everything you want included. You can select individual items for a lean, purpose-built snapshot, or select all if you're standardizing an entire account setup. A best practice is to include only what's necessary for the intended use case, which keeps the snapshot smaller and easier to maintain. When your selection looks right, click Create. GoHighLevel will package those assets into a snapshot and add it to your account snapshots list. From there, you'll be able to use the available actions next to your snapshot to apply it to other sub-accounts or share it externally, following your organization's policies. This is how you transfer your standardized setup without manually rebuilding anything. Before rolling a snapshot into a live environment, consider testing it in a staging sub-account to confirm that workflows, triggers, calendars, and integrations behave as expected. Keep names consistent, document what's included, and update your snapshot when processes evolve. That's it. You've created a clean, reusable snapshot and set yourself up to transfer it wherever it's needed.